Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming essentials: Steam installed, wallpaper engine purchased, and GPU drivers current. Once done, close overlays and apps that grab the display so the installer can register correctly. Make sure you have at least 200 MB free and permissions to install programs. You'll launch Steam and run the wallpaper engine installer. Accept runtime requirements when prompted. This gets the program files installed and the service registered, crucial before you customize any wallpaper or enable advanced features. You'll now configure core options inside Wallpaper Engine. First, select the correct display mode, single monitor, spanned, or locked to a specific screen, and choose a performance preset based on your GPU. Once configured, enable or disable Run at Startup depending on whether you want wallpapers loaded automatically. Then import or subscribe to workshop items, preview them, and set a refresh or shuffle schedule if desired. Make sure audio visualizations and engine effects are set to balance looks versus frame rate so your system remains responsive. You finish by applying the wallpaper and fine-tuning placement, scale, and playback speed so it integrates with your icons and widgets. Next, configure exclusions so full-screen apps or games pause or hide wallpapers automatically. This preserves performance when you need it. Finally, save your profile and test by opening a game or video. If the wallpaper won't display or causes stutter, restart Wallpaper Engine, update drivers, and disable overlays like Steam/Discord. That single troubleshooting step resolves most conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.